What's up, beautiful people? It's your boy Kerwin Stewart here again today with another exciting video. And on today's video, we're going to talk about the results that I've experienced on the Hims hair loss system. Like I said before, it's your boy Kerwin, and on my channel I talk about tech, gaming, and my life in the military. So if you happen to like any of those things, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys can follow me on this journey. And then jumping straight into the video. Now, you guys know, if you've been a fan on this channel for a very, very long time, you'd know that I have been on this hair loss journey for a while. You know, I started when I was losing my hair at the age of 23 with no hair at all, and now I am at a point where, you know, I found a system. It works for me and I love it. So that system is the Hims hair loss kit. It's comprised of the biotin gummies, the finasteride medicine, the hair loss, the shampoo, and the conditioner. All right, these are like the things that I take every single day to help me getting my hair back, you know, and it's working. So like I said before, I took it before, but the thing about taking the system, and I'll let you guys know, warning, is you have to take this system every single day, or at least be some kind consistent with it in order to get the results that you're going to see. All right, that means for me, taking it every day. I wake up in the morning, take a shower, eat some breakfast, then I take the medicine that and the gummies that are in the system, right? So that's what I do. I've done it every single day for the last 3 months, and I'm seeing the results. And I'm here to share with you that results that I've seen. Right now, like I've said, I took it before, but this is where I'm going to show you a picture, and this picture is me not taking the medicine for at least 4 or 5 months in time. And as you can see, the results that I gained from the picture before to the picture now, it's a total different picture, right? I lost everything that I gained, and you know, I was kind of mad because I let myself get down that tube, but I can't really be 100% mad because the state that I moved in, my family had moved to while I was in Korea, didn't allow finasteride at that time, which was Maryland. We're now in Texas, the great state of Texas, and they allow for medicine to be shipped in the mail. So with me knowing that now, I can get back on the system, and that was 3 months ago. I started the system, taking it every single day, and today, what you see right here, I'm going to take my headphones off, but I'm going to show you guys. Hopefully you guys can hear me. The mic will pick me up, but this is the results that you see right now. All right, as you can see, if you look real closely, I'm getting kind of wave action, which is pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna try to move my mic, but I don't want to make too much noise and moving the mic. Yeah, my problem area is the top of my head, but I'm starting to see ghost hairs, and as you know, your hair goes through a cycle, but I'm starting to see ghost hairs. The hair is waving up. There's some waving action that's happening because I brush it a lot. Yeah, and this is just 3 months in, so imagine what I'm going to look like another 3 months from now, and I'm really happy to be seeing this results from absolutely no hair to the hair slowly but surely coming back in. So like I said, I would say it's a marathon, not a sprint. So I am in the first half of that marathon right now, and the marathon continues, like in the words of Nipsey Hussle. And I just got to be consistent, you know, hustle hard, and then, you know, be consistent with the system, because at the end, if I do everything that I'm supposed to do, I will be where I'm supposed to be, you know. So that's about it. Like, if you guys have any questions or anything of that nature, let me know. I am here 24/7 to answer your questions as soon as I get up. If you shoot me a comment, I will answer it about this hair loss kit. As you guys know, I am a brand ambassador, meaning that Hims has given me the product for free, and I am free to say whatever I want about this product, and I'm being totally honest with it. I started off as a paid customer, build a relationship with the brand, and now I'm now a brand ambassador, talking about the products that Hims have to offer. And I know I will only co-sign on something that I know 100% works. And this program, this kit works. I have no side effects whatsoever. In fact, everything's good down there, so don't worry about that. Just got to take the medicine, be consistent, have a healthy lifestyle, and go from there. But like I said, if you guys want to know any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll answer it. That's it for this video. I will see you guys on the next video that I have to make about this. But be sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm so they can suggest this video to other people, so they know that this is the real deal and it works. Other than that, that's all I got. All right, peace.